Pete again with Pete's Snakebite Kit. Thanks for visiting my site. Today we're going to talk about a couple more kits. These two are what they call turnkey minus. Superformance and Backdraft. Coincidentally, they're both made somewhere in South Africa. They're both really, really nice looking cars. Very well done, very high quality build. There's some differences between them. I've looked at both of them a lot. Been to see these guys in Irvine, back home in California, Hillbank. They usually have 50 in stock there. If you ever have a chance, go look. It'll make you want a Cobra, probably make you want one of those. Beautiful cars. They're pretty accurate. A couple things on the rear fenders don't look exact to me. They've got a little bit more room in them. The roll bar doesn't look right to me. It's what a lot of people did with their kits, and both of these guys did. If the windshield's here and the car's here, picture if it had a hard top on it or a convertible top, and make a roll bar that'll fit under there. And it shows. Also, I don't mean to nitpick, but like the down tubes have a dog leg in them. Never built a race car, but I've looked at a lot. Whatever. Still beautiful cars. You know, you can buy one of these, put a motor in it, and you've got an absolutely beautiful car. Same thing with Backdraft. Backdraft is kind of cool, but not my thing. The bottom half is a BMW. Suspension and brakes, which I'm sure they handle great. Like, nobody ever said a BMW didn't handle well, and I'm sure the springs are adjusted for the weight of the car and stuff. These, to me, look a little less accurate body shape-wise than these. You would never see one of these and in the same day see an original car and say, I think that's exactly the same. From a distance, with the casual observer, yeah, it's a Cobra. Great looking cars. They seem to do more, a lot of custom interiors. I mean, if you want, red diamond stitch, interior, they do that. And honestly, a little bit more creative than just copying the car. If that's what you're looking for, a little more customized. Big guys fit in these too, by the way. They've got a pretty roomy passenger and driver compartment. So the leg room, the elbow room and stuff, big guys, that are 6'5" and up, maybe even 6'2" or 3", I don't know. You're gonna fit better in these. Most of these I've seen have got a small block Ford in it. Almost all of them I've seen have had a 351 Windsor base, with a stroker. They're a 410, 408, 427 kind of thing with a 5 speeds is what most of these are. Good looking car. Imagine probably pretty good track car with BMW suspension. These guys, I'm gonna raise that because I feel bad about saying that. They're still a good looking car. These things are actually blessed by Carroll Shelby. Somehow they made friends, and these cars are not on the Shelby registry. It does not have a CSX serial number. However, these are an authorized replica by Shelby, and the only one where it's a replica that's authorized. You could argue about the Kirkham and the Shelby American cars and all of that, but that's what they say. Came close to buying one of these. A little more money than I wanted to spend. One of these things, painted, and again, just beautiful. Put an engine and trans in it and go. They started, I think, at $59.9. If you want stripes, if you want roundels on them, if you want chrome or stainless side pipes, and you can imagine all the options, so on. But I wanted a very bare bones one. The more bare bones they are to me, the more original they look. For an AC 427 SC would not have had a glove box. Well, I don't want a glove box then, right? Or so on. So anyhow, some of the SCs had glove boxes, most of them didn't. Anyway, but these are great looking cars. Like I say, the guys at Hillbank, you go down there, they've got some Shelbys down there too, the Shelby American version. They've got the Superformance version down there. They've got some Grand National Corvettes. They've got some Daytona Cobra kits. Beautiful, beautiful cars. I'll put their website and phone numbers up on the website so you can take a look at it. If this is what fits you, I hope you get one and I hope you enjoy it. Till next time, be safe.